Hello friend, today we are going to discuss some important question on Assam GK. Let's watch the video at the end. Question number 1. In ancient times, Assam is also known by the name of Option C. Pragritispur. Question number 2. In which hilltop the Kamakhya temple is located? Option A. Nilachal Hill. Question number 3. In which year the capital of Assam shifted from Shillong to Dispur? Option number D. 1973. Question number 4. The Assam Sahitya Sabha was first founded in the year. Option C. 1917. Question number 5. The first conference of Assam Sahitya Sabha was held at Option B. Shivsagar. Question number 6. Who was the first president of Assam Sahitya Sabha? Option B. Padmanath Gohai Burua. Question number 7. Total number of national parks in Assam. Option number D. 7. It's not true. Now, number of national park in Assam 5. Question number 8. Total number of bridges over the river Brahmaputra. Option C. 6. Question number 9. The Naranarayan Setu connects the Pancharatna town with which city? Option number D. Jogighopa. Question number 10. Who was the first Chief Minister of Assam? Option C. Gopinath Bardoloi. Question number 11. Srimanta Shankardev was born in the year. Option number C. 1449. Question number 12. The first Assamese film Joymati was released in the year. Option B. 1935. Question number 13. The Abhirisi Sports Day is celebrated on Option number D. 3rd September. Question number 14. Bhogeshwar Bora wins a medal in the Asian Games. Option B. 1966. Question number 15. Who was the last king of Ahom kingdom in Assam? Option C, Purandar Singha.